The digestive system. Today we are going to learn about how a little cracker goes from in your mouth all the way through your body and lands up in the toilet. This is the digestive system. This is today's snack, a cracker. Before it goes in the mouth, the cracker is solid, dry, and crunchy. Here it goes into the mouth. In the mouth, the cracker is broken down into small pieces with the teeth. The tongue moves the food. Saliva from the salivary glands begins to make the cracker mushy and soft. Once the food is broken down enough to swallow, it enters the esophagus. The esophagus is a long tube that has smooth muscles all around it. The muscles push the food all the way down into the stomach. At the end of the esophagus is something called a sphincter. The sphincter is a valve that opens and lets food into the stomach, but closes before stomach acid comes up into the esophagus. In the stomach, the cracker will get broken down even more than in the mouth. The stomach acid and the movement of the stomach turns food into a paste-like substance called chyme, almost like toothpaste. Once the food is turned into chyme, it passes through another sphincter into the small intestine. In the small intestine, more digestion happens. That means that the body absorbs all the nutrients or good stuff from the food and takes it to use in the body. The nutrients are absorbed through finger-like projections on the walls of the small intestine called villi. These make it easier for the body to get all the nutrients that it needs. Food can stay in the small intestine for 4 hours and looks like a thin, watery mixture. Next, the food gets to the large intestine. The large intestine is actually much shorter than the small intestine, but it gets its name because it is wider. The purpose of the large intestine is to change that watery mixture into solid waste, or poop. The large intestine sucks out all of the water, some nutrients, and only leaves behind what the body can't use. What's left of the cracker is almost at its destination. In the rectum, the solid waste waits for the brain to tell you that it's time to go to the bathroom. The last place that the solid waste passes by is the anus, and then it is ready to be flushed away. And that is how your food goes from your mouth to the toilet. Let's watch one more time how the cracker goes all the way through the digestive system. Thanks for watching!